So hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to create Knife Shinobi, or you can say a Beyblade inspired from Naruto. What? I think the designer of this Beyblade who designed Knife Shinobi Beyblade, I think guys he's a big fan of Naruto because there are some details that is pretty much inspired from Naruto anime. First of all guys, the name is actually Knife Shinobi. Shinobi, you know. Secondly guys, the face template. The face template is actually a ninja face template, which also gives me a vibe of Kakashi Hatake. So yeah guys, if the face template was black and white instead of green and purple, you could also call this Bey as Kakashi Shinobi Beyblade. And thirdly guys, if you just tilt this Beyblade in opposite direction, then you can also call this Beyblade as Sharingan Beyblade, because guys if you give a good look at this Beyblade, you can clearly see this crystal green designs, line shape designs. It actually guys pretty much inspired from the Sharingan of the Uchiha clans. As you can see here guys, at the end you can call this Bey as Kakashi Sharingan Shinobi. So here's the template guys. Wow, looking very very circular. Now this is a perfect circle.
Yes.
Okay, let's just quickly add some beautiful shininess on our Knife Shinobi using Fevicol glue. But yeah, warning, don't use too much glue guys, otherwise the color will come out and then your Bey will look much more worse than before. So yeah, try to use as much less you can. Okay, let's just quickly shine our Beyblade using our hot iron. Let's just quickly make the ratchet one. Yeah guys, Knife Shinobi comes with ratchet one. I don't know why guys, why did Takara Tomy release this Beyblade with ratchet one? It would be much better guys if Knife Shinobi came with ratchet 2 or ratchet 3, ratchet 4 or ratchet 5 or even ratchet 9. But why did they release this Beyblade with ratchet one? I have no idea, but I think there's something, a specific reason I guess so. Anyway, let's just quickly prepare the ratchet one quickly as possible. And here you go guys, all the templates are done. Let's just quickly take out our iron and let's see. Oh wow, look at that guys, looking so much colorful and shiny as well. Here's our Knife Shinobi with shininess. Okay. हाँ भाई, काटने से पहले हवा और पानी निकलना बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि I mostly use ice cream boxes to make cardboard Beyblade. So you know ice cream boxes are mostly kept in the fridge. So let me just quickly take out the water and the air from the cardboard so that it will be easy for me to cut the cardboard pieces with scissors. Hope you understand.
Okay. So do it!
So here you go everyone, finally guys we are done cutting all the cardboard templates of Knife Shinobi, and here's the real template. Now let's just quickly dye this Beyblade guys, but before that let's have a quick lychee break.
What?
Here's the last piece, and Knife Shinobi on the way. Yeah guys, just shaping the Beyblade so that it will look much more real like the real one. But yeah guys, it's not possible to make a cardboard Beyblade same to same, almost 100% same to same like real one. But yeah, at least if I try, I can at least make it at least 50% accurate like that. ये क्या है भाई? Oh guys, I think I am actually having that same issue again which I had with Tyranno Beat. What the heck man, why the cardboard pieces are peeling off like this?
मूड खराब कर दिया तू.
Let's also add some super glue inside the Beyblade because this is the part where I will attach the Beyblade with the launcher. So yeah, this part is really needed to be strong enough to lock with the Beyblade launcher. So just let me just a little bit super glue. I just don't want to redraw the templates of Knife Shinobi, so let me just add some super glue, and then all the cardboard pieces will be sticking with the layer plate properly. I mean the layer template. And yeah, it will also make the Beyblade much more stronger. Oh. Yeah guys, the ratchet is looking a little bit thin. I think it would be much better if I could make another template. But still, we will go on with this. Same issue with the ratchet pieces as भाई साहब दिमाग खराब कर रहा है यार.
खराब हो जाएगा मैं मार.
Okay guys, for the metal needle bit, as always guys, you need a sketch pen like this one, and guys this sketch pen is actually fully better for the needle bit because the needle bit color is almost pretty much light green. So here it is guys, light green cap. So we just need this, we don't need the pen. It has a metal contact point at the bottom, I mean metal performance tape. Okay, I will think about that later, but first let's just design the bit first. Last strip. Here we go. We'll use this part. I know it's not looking that much pointy, but still guys it will be good for a defense type Beyblade, so I will use this. I'm not going to use any type of nuts. भाई ये तो टूट ही नहीं रहा है यार.
Okay.
Oh yes, finally. Here's the metal needle. I know it's not actually that much similar like the real one, but I tried my best to make this Beyblade semi like the real metal needle. But yeah, it at least has a metal performance tape. Okay, let's just quickly assemble our Beyblade guys. Let's see how it looks. Here we go. And wow guys, locked pretty properly. But yeah guys, with this ratchet one, it doesn't look that much great. Let's see how it performs. 3, 2, 1, go shoot.
Do it!
1, go shoot. Go Wizard Rod. Let's go. Wizard Rod versus Knife Shinobi. Both of the Beys almost has the same performance. But wow guys, not bad. Knife Shinobi is hitting very... Oh, already lost. Or Tyrannobi. Here we go. Jumping Beyblade versus Unstable Beyblade. And early guys, Tyrannobi hitting very hard. And oh, Hell's Hammer. Oh, oh, oh. Let's go. Also lost this one. Shoot. Go. Prawn Buster. Here we go. Come on. Both has the same ratchet guys. Let's see who wants this one. Okay, finally won a battle. Arigatou gozaimasu.